Well, hey there, it's your Wisconsin wine guy, and I'm going to do something I just really enjoy doing, and that's making cocktails with wine. You know, you can find those on the channel in the playlist of wine cocktails. You know, so here's something I've been playing around with. I got a review coming up, you know, for Wine Wednesday or in the future for Stella Rosa. We're looking at Stella Rosa right here. This is Stella Rosa Peach, non-alcoholic, that I experimented with a cocktail with. You know, so look out for that review. If you're curious to know what I thought about that. I have that and also have the Stella Rosa Black, which are both non-alcoholic. But now back to the cocktail, which is why we're here. Here's what I have: Stella Rosa Peach, non-alcohol, bourbon, Basil Hayden, Kentucky Straight Bourbon, and I have Schwepps Lemon Club Soda. All right. Now I didn't have any fresh lemon today because all the experimentation I kind of used all my lemon. Oh, and I have ice. And I have ice. You know, gotta have a chill. So I played, you know, and came up with this little cocktail, which I'm gonna be serving in a wine glass. You know, why not serve your wine cocktail in a wine glass? So we're gonna start this off. If I had lemon, I would have put lemon in the bottom and kind of juice it a little bit so I can get that nice lemon juice flavor into it. So I have my ice. Then I'm going to pour in my Basil Hayden's. Let's get this open. My hands are a little bit slippery. Woo! That's real slippery, my hands. There we go. So pour in my Basil Hayden. Now this is about 2 ounces of Basil Hayden. Whoop! All right. Now, again, this is more so about the peach wine because, you know, there's no alcohol in it, and you want that peach flavor. So now I'm going to do, and you could also, it depends on you, you could do a half an ounce or an ounce. I'm going to do double shot of the peach, okay, because again, this is about the peach. And then I'm going to top this off. Now there's some fizz. That peach wine is made, or not even wine, but the non-alcoholic. The peach is made, Stella Rosa is made with Moscato grape and peaches. Then I'm going to top it off with some lemon Schwepps Club Soda. Give this a little stir. Now if I had my lemon, it would be sitting right there. Now let's give it a taste. That nose is nice. And there you have it. Now, you may want to use more or less of the bourbon. That's entirely up to you. Again, but this is more so all about the peach than it is about the bourbon. I kind of want more bourbon flavor in it, but I could definitely top this off with some more peach. You do that. I use the seltzer, the lemon seltzer, to cut some of the sweetness and to give it a little bit more fizz. All right, now let's get that a stir and get that a taste. So I topped it off with some more peach. And there you have it. Cocktails should be fun, especially wine cocktails. Should be fun, all about fun. Have a good time. Here's your Wisconsin wine guy. My party's just started. I'm going to enjoy this peach and bourbon cocktail. And I'll see you next time on Wisconsin Wine Guy's Wine Cocktail. Ciao! Oh, the recipe will be written down below. Bye.